Hi viewers, welcome to Subbo's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut poli. Coconut poli is a delicious Indian recipe served as a dessert. Tenga poli is another delicious variety of poli. Most of us make dal poli for Avani Avitam or Bogi Pandigai. This coconut poli is one of the main sweet available for sale in many boli stalls and sweet shops in southern India. Most of us like the Puranam we prepare for Modak. We are going to use the same filling and stuff it inside the maida dough and make these delicious polis. Conventionally, all variety of polis are made using all-purpose flour. But now most of us are calorie specific, so you can use half a measure of maida and half measure of wheat flour also. But here I have explained the conventional way of making the poli using maida. Let's take a look on the ingredients. Let's get started. Take a mixing bowl and add a cup of maida and then add a pinch of salt, maybe 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well. Add water little by little and knead the flour to make it to a smooth and nice dough. The dough should be absolutely soft. Once you knead the dough, add a tablespoon of oil and knead the dough nicely for 5 to 10 minutes. The kneading makes the dough really soft and that would makes the polis really soft. Add another tablespoon of oil and knead it again. Cover this dough and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Let's make our filling now. Keep a saucepan on the flame and add a cup of grated jaggery to the saucepan. Add a tablespoon of water and allow the jaggery to melt. Stir the jaggery till it is completely dissolved in water. If the jaggery juice is very thick, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of water and allow the jaggery to dissolve, because if it is very thick, then it will be very tough to strain the jaggery juice. Now the jaggery is completely dissolved. I am going to remove the saucepan and place a heavy bottomed pan in a flame. Strain the jaggery juice to the pan and bring it to boil. Now the jaggery juice started to boil. Add the grated coconut and we need to mix it well. Though the grated coconut is fresh, it would be better to give a pulse or two in the mixer before starting with the Puranam process. A smooth grated coconut would be perfect to make sure the filling is not coming out when we spread the outer cover. Keep mixing the coconut and jaggery till they are becoming thick. Add the cardamom powder and mix well. Now the Puranam is ready. Switch off the flame. The color of the Puranam depends upon the kind of the jaggery we use. I have used dark brown jaggery which I got from the Indian shop here, and hence the Puranam is very dark brown in color. But if you use a normal white jaggery, then it will be very light in color. Take this Puranam aside in a bowl. By the time we finish making this Puranam, it would have been 30 minutes now, so we can start making the polis. Spread a plastic sheet and grease the plastic sheet with oil. Place a small lemon-sized dough and spread the dough with your greasy fingers to make it to a small circle. Keep a big lemon-sized in the middle of the dough and bring all the edges and seal this filling with the outer cover. Again, using your greasy fingers, start spreading the dough and make it to a thin circle like we make like a chapati. So now we have made one poli. The same way, make 2 or 3 polis in a batch and keep it ready for cooking. So I have made here 2 polis and I am going to cook this 2 polis first. Let's cook the polis. Heat a heavy bottomed pan. Take the plastic cover and gently remove the poli and then put it in the pan. Add a teaspoon of ghee around the poli and allow the poli to cook on the bottom side nicely. Once you can see the bubbles coming up, you can flip it off and then cook on the other side. Again, apply little ghee and allow the poli to cook on the bottom side. Once the poli is cooked on both the sides, remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. In the same way, we need to cook the rest of the polis. The delicious and tasty coconut poli are now ready to serve. Instead of doing the conventional dal poli always during the festivals, we can try this delicious tenga poli and I'm sure you will love it. I'll meet you all soon with another interesting recipe. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming recipes. Thank you.